Up Sun Raes? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am getting ready to do my hair and I am prepping it or doing it for my trip, and we're going to hope that this combo works. I got a really good combo. I got a really good wash and go last time I used this combo, so I wanted to try it again. So what I'm using today is the Camille Rose Curl Love along with the Whole Blends Hair Honey Jelly. One of you guys requested this. I believe I showed the results on my channel, but I don't believe that I showed you the application. So today we are going to apply. So of course I put my Curl Love in the shower as my leave-in. That's how I always do it, and it is already in my hair. Actually, I'm going to leave this one real life. I'm gonna leave this one pinned up because I actually did this side last. So we're gonna go ahead and start on this side today. So the Curl Love is already in my hair and I applied it in the shower. My hair feels really good. I will say that this wash day was a lot better than the previous wash days that I had been having. So yeah. Anyway, let's go ahead and apply this. I chose this combination because one, I got a really good wash and go last time that lasted. It also stayed moisturized, which is what I want. And neither of these products have glycerin. So I was looking for the moisture without the glycerin because of course I'll be near water and it'll be a little humid. It's supposed to rain where I'm going as well. So I wanted to try to use something that didn't have glycerin to combat any, you know, puffiness, frizziness, and things like that that I may get. That's my thinking. I don't know if that's gonna work or not, but that is my thinking. So yeah, applying the gel to the hair, and we're gonna see how it works out. This feels odd starting on this side, guys. When you do your hair a certain way all the time and you change it up, it feels a little odd. So yeah, I am hoping this combination lasts. I'm hoping it lasts, so I don't have to redo my hair. I feel like I'm gonna have to redo it while I'm away, because I'm going to be away a while, and I don't necessarily want to have a wash and go for the length of days that I'm going to be gone. So I am preparing to possibly have to start back here, possibly have to redo my hair, but hopefully this will last a while and I can do my hair at the last anchor of the trip, and I'll decide then if I'll do it, put it in twist or another wash and go. So I am taking a small twist cream with me, and I'm also taking a small thing of gel and a small mousse, so I can decide what I want to do. I can do a twist out with a mousse, have it dry quickly. I can do a twist out with a cream for moisture. I can do a wash and go with a mousse and gel for it to dry quickly. So I have options. So I'm going to take products in case I have to redo it, but I'm hoping that this is going to last well into my trip so I don't have to do it right away. I don't plan on doing my hair third or fourth day like I normally do. Okay, let's just put it that way. I definitely want it to last longer than that. So yeah, so now I'm applying the product, and I'm not going to stretch it or anything today. I'm just going to do it because I wanted to keep its definition for as long as possible. So I'm just going to do it, dry it, and then I'm going to tie it away, and then I'll wear it tied away. When I say tied away, I mean pull back in a little ponytail for my plane ride, and I might put on a little baseball cap or something like that, or I might not, but I'm definitely going to have my little scarf ready, so when I'm actually on the plane and seated, I can put my scarf on, because we have a long flight, so I'm probably going to sleep. So I do want to protect my hair. I'm not gonna wear a bonnet, but I am gonna put on, if you guys remember the scarf that I showed you, well, you might not have seen it, only my members may have seen it, but it's a scarf that I got from Humble Glow, that's satin. I'm gonna take that and I'll just tie my hair up with that. Put a little scarf on my head. It's a cute scarf, and then I can just sleep if I want to, and nobody has to see it, you know. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then when I get off the plane, you know, it'll still be pulled back in a little ponytail, curly ponytail, you know what I mean? So that is my intention until we get to our destination. So, okay guys, so I'm just gonna keep doing this. I will be back when all the product is applied. Okay guys, so I'm back and I got the product all applied. So now I'm going to sit under the dryer, let my hair dry, and I'll be back to show you the results, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is my hair dry. Like I said, I am not going to stretch it or anything because I want it to last. So I'm just going to, you know, pull it back when it's time for me to go to bed or whatever, and keep it like that until we get on the plane and everything. I will try to take pictures while I'm away so y'all can see how it holds up, and yeah, we'll see how it goes, so stay tuned.